Woo! Styling and profiling, huh?
Dad, why is this in the garbage?
Because you got your Power Ranger bike. We got your new one, remember? You leaving? See you later. Watch where you're going. Watch the wall. You got to turn. Oh, you crashed it. You're not going to get your license like that. Woo! Good turn. All right. See you later. Turn. Turn, turn. Don't hit the car. Danny, you like it? Huh? Dan, you like it?
Yeah.
Let me see.